Hey, what's up YouTube? Welcome back to my channel. In this video, we will cover the basic if statements in Python. So what is a if statement? An if statement evaluates if an expression meets a condition. So let's create a variable named age and we will set it equal to 18. And then let's type our if statement. So we'll say if age is greater than equal to 18, we want to print you are old enough to vote. Let's save and run. And the reason this outputs you are old enough to vote is because age is set to 18, and this if statement states if age is greater than or equal to 18, this will output. So we can modify this and say, let's change this to 15 and let's include an else. So else means if that first condition is not true, it will output a different message. And we want it to output not old enough yet. Let's save and run. Perfect. Not old enough yet. And this outputs not old enough yet because age is set to 15. The next part we will discuss is if elif. So let's create a variable named score. We'll set it equal to 85. And let's type our if statement. So if score is greater than equal to 90, we want to display you get a grade A. So we'll type grade A. The next part we'll type is the elif part, which stands for else if. So we type elif score is greater than equal to 80 colon. We want to print score or grade, sorry, B. And this can be repeated for C. So elif score greater than equal to 70 print grade save. And run it. Grade is equal to B. And I actually made a mistake here. You see how I have a colon here? This is supposed to be a semicolon here. This is supposed to be a colon. Let's resave it so it's more clear. Grade B. So let's clear the terminal. And let's even change it. Let's get a user to input their score. So score is equal to input enter your score. Save. And what this is going to do is allow the user to input their score. So let's run it. Enter your score. 100. You get a grade A. Let's change this so it's more clear. Save. Run again. Enter your score. 100. You get a grade of A. The next part is a nested if statement, which means both conditions must be true. So let's type age again. Age equals 20. And let's create a new variable called has license. And we will set that to true. And let's get into our nested if statement. So let's type if age is greater than equal to 18 colon, and then we type again if has license colon, we want to print you can drive. Else print you need a license. Let's save it and run it. Let's see what happens here. Perfect. So our outputs you can drive because age is set to 20 and you have a license, a valid license. So this says if age is greater than or equal to 18, which age is 20 and it is greater than or equal to 18, and if has license, since has license is set to true, print you can drive. Else you need a license. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and we will see you in the next video.